Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add your home address on Waze. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, tap My Places where you find options to add or manage your saved locations. Look for Home and tap Set Home or Add Home, depending on your version of Waze. In the search bar, type your home address, then select the correct location from the search results. Once you've chosen the address, Waze will automatically save it as your home location. From now on, you can quickly start navigation by tapping home instead of entering your address every time. If you ever move to a new address, you can return to My Places and edit or update your home location using the same steps. And that's how to add your home address on Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.